Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this bike video editing on CapCut. So if you want to create your bike video reels, here's how you can do it. First, you can just add the photo of your bike and split the video into two. So I'm going to split in here. And after that, you can click on the first part of the clip and go to speed, and here you can use this kind of curve. So click on curve and then click on custom, and now you click on edit. Here you can just drag the first three beats to make a slow motion effect like this, and you can click on a check icon, and now click on this transition in between the clip and find the floodlight transition, add it into the clips and adjust the durations to 0.8 seconds. Click on the check icon, and now at the beginning of the video, go to the video effects and add the diamond zoom effects. Okay, add it into the clip, and here you can adjust the intensity to how you liked it, and also the speed, horizontal and rotate. You can just click on the check icon after you are done. Here I'm going to make it half durations of the first clip, and this is the final result. So if you want to make it more dramatic, you can also add music into the video that match it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.